students, welcome. And in this video, we will do true, false, or not given. So the basic premise for true, false, or not given is that if the statement matches the information given in the passage, it is true. If it does not, then it is false. If there is no information about the statement itself, then it is not given. So let's look at the passage. So the main topic of the essay is the impact of technology on society. So the first section is section 1. In recent decades, technology has become an integral part of our lives, reshaping the way we work, communicate, and live. The advent of smartphone and the widespread accessibility of the internet has revolutionized the way information is exchanged, connecting people across the globe. Section 2. One of the positive aspects of technological advancements is the improved efficiency in various sectors. Automation and artificial intelligence has streamlined processes, leading to increased productivity in industries such as manufacturing, healthcare, and finance. Section 3. However, the rapid pace of technological evolution has also given rise to ethical and societal challenges. Privacy concerns have escalated with the constant collection of personal data by tech companies, raising questions about the balance between innovation and individual rights. Moreover, digital divide persists with disparities in access to technology, creating inequalities in education and economic opportunities. So let's look at the true, false, or not given. The first question is, technology has become an integral part of our daily lives, reshaping the way we work, communicate, and live. In passage 1, you will see the same line where it says, technology has become an integral part of our daily lives, reshaping the way we work, communicate, and live. So the answer is true. Okay. The advent of smartphones and widespread internet accessibility has not revolutionized the way information is exchanged. Not. Okay. This is a very straightforward. So again, in section 1, you will see the advent of smartphones and widespread internet accessibility has revolutionized the way information is exchanged. The answer is false. Okay. Now question number 3. Technological advancement has led to increased efficiency in various sectors such as manufacturing, healthcare, and finance. So if you look at the second paragraph, you will see that technological advancement have led to increased efficiency. Same. So it is, answer is true. Okay. Again, fourth question is, automation and artificial intelligence have not played a role in streamlining processes in different countries. So here the answer is false, because again in the second paragraph we will see that automation and artificial intelligence has played an important role in streamlining processes. Now this is very straightforward. Okay. But you will see that in the IELTS test there might be change of words. Okay. So for efficiency they might use the word performance. Okay. So again the answer will still remain the same. It will be true. But in exchange of the word efficiency, the word performance will come. Okay. Like just here also, in question number 3, in place of the word information, data could come in. Okay. Or we will see again for question number 1, they might use the word important or vital, because in the actual IELTS test we have synonyms, okay, that come into the picture, and there might be chances where you can get straightforward information, but there are also chances that synonyms will come. So for the word integral, important might come, or vital. For information, data is a word, is a synonym. For efficiency, performance is a synonym. Okay. Now, last question. Political concerns have not escalated due to collection of personal data by tech companies. Okay. So if we look at the passage, we will see that the word political concerns is not present in the whole passage. Okay. So the answer for this will be not given. Okay. So this was very straightforward and simple. True, false, or not given. Again, in true, false, or not given, if the information matches the passage, then the statement is true. If the information does not match the passage, the information is false. We cannot find the information anywhere in the passage, then the statement is not given. Okay. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.